All right, so this is the search patient under the front desk menu. So you want to edit a patient sponsor. Now you see here now, this is the patient profile. You see anchor patient, this is policy number. Now, if you try to edit sponsor from here, you will be able to edit policy number. And that's because this patient is an enrollee of an HMO. What you want to do is you want to go on that search policy. Bearing in mind, this is the patient's policy number here and 12356. And new follower. So you go to search policy. Search policy. You can search maybe using using the patient's first name, say Anu. And so this is the patient, and if you are AM1234556. Now you want to edit the policy number, you click on actions, update policy. So you can come here and change the policy number. Let's say it's AN098765, something like this. So you can submit. Now that you've done this, you've been able to edit successfully. So you might still want to check to see if that has taken effect. So new follower has been changed from AM1234562 AN098. So as it is here now, you can just having this here, let me go and check the patient again. So I come here and I search the patient and I click on view profile. So what I'm going to see here, I'm going to see that the policy number is still AN098765. So that's how you can change the policy number. Now, let's do something else. Let's say, for example, you want to, you have a self-pay patient, for example. Let's say let me just search for a self-pay patient. And the patient is now registered under an HMO. Let me use this Lawa Adenike. Let me use this Lawa Adenike. So if you view the profile, you see that the patient is just a self-paying patient, the sponsor, just self-pay. So what I want to do is I want to create an for this patient. So I'll come to search policy again. So I can now say admin. So let's say the patient is an anchor, under anchor, and the principal. So I can just do Lawal, then surname, clinic, as the case may be. So AN, let me do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Valid until, let's say, February 2025. So I can do this. So now that I've created for and only for these patients, Lawal, and then so I can just copy this policy number here. So as it is here now, I'll just go back to the search patients. So I'll search for the patient again, which is Lawal. So Lawal, oh sorry, because that's the son. So I can do Lawal. So once I do Lawal here, so this is a self-pay patient that is now registered an HM. I want to add the policy number to it. How do I go about it? So I'll come here, then I can now edit sponsor. Now I've created and under this patient name, and I now do edit sponsor. So I want to add the primary insurance to the patient. So I'll come here, I'll do HMO. Then I'll call HMO this one that I can put the policy number. And I will do validate and it's going to ask me that am I sure I want to map this patient to the Lawa Adenike, who is an MVP of Anchor, meaning are they one and the same person? I'll say yes. If that's okay, then I'll save. So once I'm done saving, it's going to show this patient and the new enrollee details that patient has. So that's how you can go about editing a policy number for an already existing HMO patient, and also how you can add a sponsor. The self-pay patient can add an HMO sponsor type to the patient.